Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.